Hi, I'm Britt.
I'm Michelle.
I'm Kyle.
I'm Rebecca.
Good afternoon. By show of hands, how many of you guys recycle? Well, great. Personally, I too have been recycling for the last 4 years. With an increase of studies and research showing a decline in natural resources, an instability in our financial system, and a hardship amongst our families, so is the importance of what we can do as individuals to make a difference. My name is Catherine Mary, and today I'm going to talk to you about the 3 major benefits of recycling. Recycling benefits our environment, recycling benefits our economy, and recycling also benefits our home lives. Now let's talk about the way that recycling benefits our environment. Recycling is one of the best ways to sustain our environment. Not only does it prevent destruction of natural resources, it also helps avoid toxic processes that we use to turn resources into consumer products. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency's 2009 reference in sustainable material management, in the past 50 years, humans have consumed more resources than in all previous history. Recycling also creates a closed-loop system. This picture here shows you how the system works. Basically, it goes from the consumer back to the recycling. The manufacturer gets it, turns it into a new product, and it ends up back with the consumer. According to the United Nations Environmental Program, 2007 book titled Global Environment Outlook 4, more than 2 million people globally die prematurely due to indoor and outdoor pollution. In addition, recycling saves the energy that we depend on every day. Recycling paper, glass, and metal that can be easily recycled over and over again saves far more energy than generating new products. According to the World Watch Institute 2006 book titled Vital Signs 2006 to 2007, nearly 80% of the world's energy source comes from oil, coal, and gas. Now that we have covered the benefits that recycling has on our environment, let's take a look at how it benefits our economy. Recycling provides numerous advantages to our economy. For one, it saves everyone money. Recycling significantly reduces the cost of waste processing, transportation, landfill upkeep, and disposal. For example, according to Thomas Carlson's 2008 article, Can You Afford to Recycle? If a new program saves only 50,000 tons at the curb, the long-term benefit could be about $49 million. Plus, selling recycled materials offsets the cost that it takes to collect and process them, making it a cheaper option. Recycling also eliminates the need for hazardous landfills and incinerators. Landfills are the largest source of human-caused methane, and their gases contribute to air pollutants that harm nearby residents and the environment. This map right here depicts the methane levels in the United States. The red areas show over 10,000 dry tons of methane per year. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency 2009 reference on municipal solid waste, generation, recycling, and disposal, the United States burned or buried more than 166 million tons of resources in landfills and incinerators just in 2008. Incinerators are by far the worst waste management option there is. Ecocycle.com, 10 Reasons to Recycle, states that incinerators require upwards of hundreds of millions of dollars just to construct it, and then it requires a steady stream of garbage to keep it operating. This creates an economic incentive to waste more and recover less. Recycling also creates jobs. For every 1 job at a landfill, there are 10 jobs in recycling processing and 25 jobs at recycling manufacturers. And according to the American Solar Energy Society, in their 2008 article, Defining, Estimating, and Forecasting, recycling, reusing, and remanufacturing accounts for 3.1 million jobs in the United States. Now that we know how recycling can benefit our economy and us as a society, let's take a look at how it affects us in our home life. First off, recycling is easy. Americans now have the convenience of curbside pickup in a variety of materials. This picture shows what kind of items can be dropped off and picked up on the curb. We have paper items like newspapers, cardboard boxes, plastic jugs and bottles, and also aluminum and metal cans. According to Earth911.com, the most common collectible materials are the big 5: aluminum, glass, paper, plastic, and steel. At an individual level, recycling still pays you back. Recycling helps families save money, especially in communities that have a pay-as-you-throw program. The United States Environmental Protection Agency website states that under pay-as-you-throw, residents only pay for what they throw away, meaning waste. So the more you recycle, the less you pay. Recycling centers are also available, such as drop-off facilities and buyback centers, which they actually pay recyclers for their materials at market prices. Recycling at home also promotes a sense of responsibility. There are 3 main ways we can take personal responsibility for preserving our environment, stimulating our economy, and enhancing our home life. Number 1 is reusing. Reuse the materials that you have. 2, reduce. Reduce the amount of waste that you produce. And 3, recycle. Recycle the materials that can be used over and over again. Now that we know a little bit more about recycling and what it can do for us, let's review. There are 3 major benefits to recycling. First, recycling benefits our environment. Second, recycling benefits our economy. And third, recycling benefits our home life. So the next time you empty a bottle or finish a newspaper, I hope the insight you gained today will help you think twice before you take action. Remember, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Because when it comes to recycling, the benefits far outweigh the costs. Thank you.